When you have so much money, buying robots and swirling furniture sounds like a good idea. When faced with more money than they know what to do with, people have always splurged on the remarkable and outlandish. From diamond dog collar to gold pills, the world of insane luxury has its moments that really make the rest of the world wonder. Today, we at Facts Thunder bring you 8 such weird expensive things. Number 1. Luxury ice cubes. If you are drinking top shelf liquor, you would better be enjoying it with top shelf ice. That's the idea behind a California company, Glaze Luxury Ice, that sells luxury ice cubes for $325 per bag consisting of 50 pieces. Now you might be wondering what's so special about these ice cubes. Well, Glaze Luxury Ice claims their product is superior to regular ice because it's purified of minerals, additives and other pollutants. Also, design of their cubes provides minimum dilution, maximum cooling and should be enjoyed with premium spirits. For the rich, it's a small price to pay to appreciate the luxury of uncontaminated whiskey. Number 2. Gold shirt. Women around the globe fancy gold jewelry, but this man went for a shirt weaved in gold. Maharashtra's well-known businessman and politician Pankaj Parakh is called the man with the golden shirt, as he has earned a place in the Guinness World Records. The dress weighing around 4.1 kg is currently valued at Rs 2 crores. A team of 20 select artisans spent around 3,200 hours over 2 months to craft the 18 to 22 carat pure gold strands to the last thread and stitching. And this deal was fully built to keep tax sleuths at bay. Number 3. Guinea pig armor. Now, guinea pig is a pet animal in American countries and also used for meat purposes. Is your pet guinea pig tired of wandering around the house unarmored and vulnerable? Do they get picked on by other guinea pigs? Has your guinea pig ever wanted to go with you to a Renaissance fair but had nothing to wear? That's what an eBay user writes in the description of his charity auction for a handmade guinea pig scale, mail and helmet. Further, the product description says 100% of the profits go towards Metropolitan Guinea Pig Rescue, a non-profit organization in the state of Virginia in United States dedicated to rescuing, rehabilitating and finding new homes for unwanted guinea pigs. And this armor was finally sold for $24,300. What better way to do that than by suiting your pet up in metal and taking on the world? Number 4. Diamond dog collar. For those who might want to flaunt their luxury by giving their loving dogs a diamond-studded dog collar, this would be the perfect choice. The most expensive dog collar in the world is $3.2 million. Diamond-studded armor, once called the Bugatti of dog collars. There are 1,600 hand-set diamonds with a combined total of about 52 carats on this collar with brilliant shaped centerpiece. The armor also uses platinum, the 18-carat white gold and crocodile leather. What the lucky dogs would think if they actually get these collars. Oh, look at me, I am so star-studded. Number 5. Gold pills. How far can someone go with insane luxury? In 2005, Tobias Wang and the company Just Another Rich Kid designed a gold pill which is filled with 24-carat gold leaf and dipped in gold. This capsule costs around $425 for 20 mm pill. According to Kenneth Courtney, the creative director of Just Another Rich Kid, this pill intended to give the person who has everything the ability to take it to the next level and consume gold so that even the most human, in other words, the least luxurious part of them comes out sparkling with gold. So, if you want to poop gold, just swallow one of these gold pills and all your glittery doo-doo dreams will come true. Number 6. Gold hamburger. Honky Tonk, an American-themed diner restaurant in London, rolled out their glam burger in 2014 in celebration of selling its 5 millionth food and drink voucher. Just how glam is it? Well, in addition to the buns being dipped in gold leaf, the whole thing is also topped with a gold-covered duck egg. The patty itself comprised of beef, venison, lobster and bacon. That's 4. It's like a tasty zoo. If you want to eat, you can buy it for $1,770. Number 7. Gold staples. This item has taken stationery to a whole new level. A Dutch design house has created a set of ultra-luxury 14-carat gold-plated staples, packaged in velvet jewelry style case priced at 59 euros. If you are eager to impress your boss or your business partners, or you are simply passionate about stationery, why not present them with these staples? Number 8. Gold Vacuum Cleaner. When you want even the housekeeping to be a splurge, this should be your choice. In 2012, Go Vacuum Company introduced the world's most expensive vacuum, and almost every component except for the bag, motor and the wheels is plated in 24 karat gold. This machine weighs around 7.25 kg and costs $1 million. But if you're thinking that it must be super powerful or able to clean on its own, we hate to disappoint you. It actually isn't any of that. If you're short of cash to buy this, Go Vacuum is offering a 0.001% discount, which is $10 for liking its Facebook page. So do rush for this offer. Hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, hit the like button at the speed of thunder and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to Facts Thunder for more such interesting videos.